Welcome to module Array. Here is the outline of this video. We will be discussing about the definition of array, then I will be explaining the advantages and disadvantages of an array, and next we will be studying about the types of an array. Let's consider a scenario. You need to find an average of 100 integer numbers. So there are two solutions. First, we can define 100 integer variables and perform 100 scanf operations, and then we can calculate the average. We have one more solution to this problem, that having a single array of integer data type, then loop through the array to enter the values, and then we can calculate. Which solution is better according to you? Obviously the second one. It is convenient to store same data in a single variable and later access them. So here comes the need of an array. So let's discuss about the array. So what is an array? An array is a collection of similar data item. You can take an example. Here I have store the similar kind of data, that is of integer data type. If we are creating an array, the data should be of similar data type. It can be either integer, float, character, or even double. The data items are stored at contiguous memory locations. Contiguous memory locations means we will get the memory blocks one after another, or we can say in a sequential order. So let's discuss about the advantages of an array. First is code optimization. As we need to write the less code to access the data, the code will be optimized. Ease of traversing. We can retrieve the elements of an array using the index, so that it is easy to traverse, easy to retrieve the elements of an array. Then next we have ease of sorting. We need a few lines of code to sort the elements in the array. Now let me explain what are the disadvantages of an array. It allows a fixed number of elements. The memory which is allotted cannot be increased or decreased. We have to specify the size of the array at the beginning of the program, and later we cannot increase or decrease. Insertion and deletion in an array is very difficult, as the memory is contiguous. If you want to insert an element or delete an element in the array, we have to shift the rest of the elements. An array is homogeneous, means it contains only similar type of data. We cannot mix the different types of data in array. If I am creating integer array, we can store only integer data type. If I am creating float array, I can store only float elements. Similarly for character. Now let me tell about the types of an array. There are actually two types of array which are generally used. The first one is one-dimensional array, and the second one we have two-dimensional array. In this way we gain the knowledge of the arrays and why it is used, what are the advantages, disadvantages. In the next video I will be describing one-dimensional array in detail. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.